The cold has latched itself to my window. From it comes the coldest breeze. I got my thick socks on and my two-layered sweater, 'cause if not I just might freeze. By the light of winter, but it comes and goes away. I don't like her very much, though. You can't depend on anything she'll say. But I don't feel like myself when everything's changing. The cosmos seems to be suddenly raging. I'm scared I'll not be myself when everything's different. It's just so hard when my heart ain't ending. Now everything's covered in white. Well, I still had the hope to ride my bike. Guess I'll have to stay inside, at least for a little while. The crowd slowly mask my reflection. It makes me wonder who I am. What will I say? Will I be my own rejection? Or will I do everything I can? But I don't feel like myself when everything's changing. The cosmos seems to be suddenly raging. I'm scared I'll not be myself when everything's different. It's just so hard when my heart ain't ending. Myself when everything's changing. The cosmos seems to be suddenly raging. I'm scared I'll not be myself when everything's different.